Hi, this is Alice Bull from scraphappy.org, and I am at Creativation 2019 at the Bella Blvd booth with Stephanie. Hi, Stephanie.
Hi.
So I was really excited to see that you're here at Creativation and that you've got some new collections for us to play with this spring, and I'm excited to see all of it.
Thank you. I'm excited to show you, and I'm excited to be here too. A lot has happened in the past year, so.
Okay, you want to show us your first collection?
Yes, how about we do this one? This is Splash Zone. So it's very Bella, lots of bright colors, everything water and pool related. We've had a big response to the unicorn floaties.
I might have
all
been
the
sneak
floaties.
peeking on Instagram. I saw that. I was like, oh!
Yes, lots of people love those two little things. And this layout, you can just see how they all work together really well. And then new for this show, we've had colored acrylic words in the past, but new for this show on all of the Bella collections are acrylic shapes. And everybody's loving those.
Yes, I'm one of those people.
And then the chipboard pieces, like typically throughout the collections, have like, I don't know, what do you call them? Like unique titles that aren't like featured anywhere else. So this one has fun and this one is hot, and other ones have bigger titles like that. So that's Splash Zone.
So when you add to your collection, it's not like you could have just done that in a sticker somewhere else, right?
Correct. So nowhere else does it say fun or hot, like in the die cut pack or on the borders, anything like that.
Oh, that's so nice. I really love it. And I love that you still have some of your acrylic words because those are some of my classic favorites.
Yeah, so some of our legacy products are in here, so you'll probably recognize the puffy wonky stickers and the clear cuts that are versatile and mix and match. So, and the hard hugs that we came out with at last show. So we kind of mixed them in what matches what collection.
Well, personally, when I'm scrapbooking, I don't just pull up all pretty new product. I'm mixing a little bit of my older supplies in with my new product. So this just shows that it all works really well together.
Yes, for sure.
Awesome.
Okay, you want to do this one?
Yeah. Let's go on an adventure.
Yeah. So in the past, camping lines have done really well for Bella, and so this is camping plus like anything that would be an adventure. So hot air balloon riding, mountain climbing, camping, hiking in the woods, all of those things that are adventurous speak to this line. So these little trees, everybody's loved. And then these cute little acrylics as well. And this little fox washi tape is adorable.
So the acrylic cutaways say live, love, camp, and at the lake. And oh, I think I have that one that says adventure, actually.
Yes, these two were released with the bug collection. But they coordinate. Yes.
I have boys, so it's nice to see some products that, you know, you can definitely use with girls, obviously, but, you know, they feel a little bit more appropriate to some boys.
For boys, yes. So this layout is when I was in New Zealand, when I literally found out I was pregnant with Ruby. And so she was with me on that trip, but went sky gliding. And so that's an adventure.
Oh, I love it. I love how you made your little mountains on that page too.
Well, I didn't make that page.
Okay, well,
Stephanie Bice did, but I love
how she made the little mountains on the page.
I do.
Way to go, Stephanie.
I like supply her with the pictures, and then she makes layouts. So, you know, it's all good.
Very fun.
So that's Let's Go on an Adventure. And then the next collection is Home Sweet Home. So it's like perfect for family, outdoors, everyday laying around kind of things. It was surprisingly inspired by Magnolia, but just a lot more colorful. Okay. So you can see like the mosaic tiles here and the succulents. So that was what inspired this collection.
I like your font on that always welcome paper. It's so pretty, and with the little hearts in between, just a little bit of sweetness.
Yes, so cute. Everybody has loved these heart acrylic shapes. And then again in the chipboard you see the titles.
It's nice to be able to pull those out, pop them on the page, and be like, done.
Yes. So colorful. This is like the most Bella line, I feel like, of all four of them.
Yeah.
So that's Home Sweet Home. Fireworks and Freedom. So at Bella, this is only the second 4th of July line. So it's kind of like get it while it's hot.
Now you've been told. Now you've been told.
I don't do it very often. And there's not a reason for that. It's just that it's...
I think, you know, coming out with something and then being able to use up what you have with that. And then, you know, it's the kind of thing that happens every year. So are you going to design a new collection for it every year? Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe not. Sometimes it's like you're more interested in birthdays or for themey kits like that. I imagine that it changes. Your priorities change.
Yes, so much. So I personally love this map pattern.
It's very, very cute.
And then the fireworks and the trucks, which have been very popular recently.
A truck full of fireworks.
Yep. Or little stars in the trunk. And these little epoxies are adorable. They're in all the collections. I didn't point them out before. And then the star mix has been very popular. And then again with the chipboard, large titles. And there's my little kiddos right here. So we have annual 4th of July traditions. So I take lots of 4th of July pictures, but that's pretty current.
Perfect. And I like these, the acrylic words, America and memories.
And awesome.
And awesome.
Don't forget that. I love this one that says party like it's 1776. So cute. So that's Fireworks and Freedom. And then if we want to walk around this way.
Cool. Your stuff looks so good against the pink carpet of the Doodlebug booth.
Yes, so I take no credit for that. Doodlebug was amazing. So this is Florence. She's our new alphabet sticker.
Cool.
Lots of pieces and in all our signature colors. So it's 16, Macintosh, Punch, Pickle Juice, Guacamole, those signature colors of Bella. And you can see them here on an adorable layout. But I can't wait to use these. And there's little hearts.
That's nice to have a few little extra embellishments kind of snuck into the alpha like that.
Yes.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much
You're
for
welcome.
giving us the big tour of the Bella Boulevard
You're
booth.
welcome.
It's excellent. And how soon can people get their hands on the supplies? Because that's what everybody wants to know. How soon can we get it?
So all of Bella Boulevard is now shipping through Doodlebug.
Okay.
Not now shipping, but going forward, shipping from Doodlebug. And all of the new stuff that we walked through will ship end of March.
Okay. That's excellent.
Yeah.
That's soon. People can, like, you know, they'll be antsy, but they'll be able to wait that long.
Yes. Well, they needed a little bit of time for transition. So we shipped all of Bella Boulevard's inventory to them just like within the past 2 weeks. So now they'll have to get it all set up in their database and train their staff to pick and pull orders. And so that time kind of allows for that plus the production of these things. So it'll be good.
That's awesome.
Yes, thank you
Sounds like
so
a great
much.
partnership.
It is. I've known Cynthia since I was 16, and it happened very organically, actually. So I know that she loves the brand and will just take really good care of it. So I'm so thankful for that.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Stephanie. This is wonderful. This is Alice Bull from scraphappy.org with Stephanie from Bella Boulevard.
Bye, guys.